Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, where today I am going to show you how you can log in into your Canada Post employee account. First of all, just go into your default search engine and on the search bar type in Canada Post Employee Login and hit enter. And after the result pops up, it is the first link that pops up on your screen. Go on to that link, and now that link will take you to a different interface where you need to put your correct user ID and passport. But in case you forgot your passport, you can reset your passport by clicking here, forgot your passport. Or let's say you forgot your username. So if you forget your username, you can dial into this number to help you retrieve your user ID. Now, after putting on your correct user ID and passport, you need to hit on login. And after you hit on login, now you will be logged in into your Canada Post employee account. So guys, this much for this video, and if you find our video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for more notifications. If you find any trouble during your login process, feel free to comment in our video and I will be happy to assist you. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.